When it comes to finishing wood, there are many options available. One particularly versatile and environmentally friendly choice is shellac. Let's dive into the benefits of using shellac as a wood finish. Shellac offers several advantages that make it a popular choice among woodworkers and craftsmen. One of the key benefits is its ease of application. By simply wiping it on, shellac provides a quick and efficient way to finish wood surfaces. Unlike other finishes that take days to dry, shellac dries rapidly, allowing for multiple coats to be applied within a short time frame. This not only saves time, but also enables the woodworker to achieve the desired finish more quickly. Additionally, shellac has the unique property of dissolving itself. This means that if a mistake is made during application, it can be easily fixed by dissolving the shellac with denatured alcohol and starting over. Another advantage of shellac is its excellent adhesion to other finishes. This makes it a versatile option, as it can be used to enhance the appearance of an existing finish or as a standalone finish itself. Have you ever wondered where shellac comes from? Shellac is derived from the excretion of the Lac Beetle, an insect native to Southeast Asia. This natural resin is collected, processed, and transformed into the shellac we use today. It's interesting to note that shellac is even used as a food coating, making it safe for use on wooden utensils or items that come into contact with food. Shellac comes in a variety of colors, ranging from light blonde to deep brown. This offers woodworkers the opportunity to choose the shade that best complements the wood they're working with or create custom wood stains. However, it's important to note that while shellac has many benefits, it may not be suitable for all applications. Unlike polyurethane or modern finishes, shellac does not create a strong, plastic-like protective layer. This makes it less durable and may not be ideal for surfaces that experience heavy use, such as tabletops. Some people might find the process of preparing shellac from flakes intimidating, but fear not. Pre-mixed shellac cans are readily available and offer a convenient option for those who prefer a hassle-free experience. Whether you're a woodworking enthusiast or a professional craftsman, shellac wood finish provides a fast, versatile, and environmentally friendly solution for enhancing the natural beauty of wood. When it comes to mixing denatured alcohol with shellacs, finding the right ratio is a matter of personal preference. Let's explore how these two components interact and how you can experiment with different ratios to achieve your desired finish. Denatured alcohol plays a crucial role in the mixture as it dissolves the shellac. The more alcohol you add, the thinner the finish will be. However, you can also apply shellac straight from the can without diluting it at all. It's all about finding the balance that works best for you. To discover your preferred ratio, it's worth trying out a few different combinations. Some woodworkers, like myself, find that a ratio of 2 parts shellac to 1 part denatured alcohol works well. However, keep in mind that this ratio is subjective and your ideal mix may differ. Experimentation is key to finding the perfect balance that suits your project and desired finish. By adjusting the ratio, you can control the viscosity and thickness of the finish. This flexibility allows you to adapt the mixture to different woodworking projects, achieving the desired result every time. Remember, the ratio of shellac to denatured alcohol is not set in stone. You have the freedom to experiment and find what works best for you, your woodworking style, and the specific requirements of your project. So don't hesitate to mix and match, discovering your perfect blend of denatured alcohol and shellac for an exceptional wood finish. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.